Oh, do you mind if I ask why not?
Sure. She's not having me.
I'm sorry.
My pa raised me. He tried to protect me, from pain and all, but can't really make up the difference for a missing mom. Thank you.
So your dad, you never remarried?
Nope. Says there's only one woman for him. Spent all his time held up in a shack, just making all sorts of shit from driftwood.
That's pretty cool.
You ever married?
Once. But it was short-lived. An affair.
If I was ever married to you, I'd treat you like a queen.
Thanks.
I mean it. Hey, you smoke?
Yeah, what else is there to do with these parts?
Got paper?
No, but you know what? I got an apple. I'll make us an apple bomb.
I never heard such a thing.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll show you. Come on. You sure are good looking, Moss.
Yeah? Ain't done me much good so far.
Come on, you don't have a girlfriend?
Nah, I never really tried.
That's super fresh.
My man Blaze grows and sells it down by the river in the summer.
Well, that right there is a friend to keep.
He was on a raft. It's off the grid, you could say.
That sounds like my hero.
Yeah, there's a lot of that around here. Like my grandma, she ain't never had a bank account. She keeps all her money in a paint can back by the shed. Don't have anything good to say about the system. Wanna go for a swing?
Swing?
Yeah, it's just up there.
Wow. Gorgeous up here.
Been coming here since I was a tot. My pop put this swing here.
No way. Jeez, I haven't been on one of these.
swings. Let's go.
All right then.
Yeah.
You gonna still hold me?
Ready to go. Hey, you ever done shrooms before?
Nope.
Really?
There's a lot of things I ain't done yet.
Well, there's a first time for everything. Want to try with me?
What happened?
I don't know, it's a bit different every time, but the first time I did it, it felt like all these walls inside of me just evaporated. Pretty therapeutic.
How long does it last?
We start now, be done by sundown. Believe me, you don't think about time on these things. Happy birthday. Tastes like shit.
Meet you on the other side.
Snack time. I don't need a bag now, no bags. 2028. Okay, thank you, man. Appreciate it.